Exploring Saturn. Source, All About Space. By visualgk.com. Only a handful of spacecraft have visited Saturn, each adding to our understanding of the ringed planet. Pioneer 11's initial flyby, in September 1979, provided the first measurements of the magnetosphere, discovered the F-ring, and revealed ring material, orbiting within the system's apparent dark gaps. Voyager 1 followed in November 1980, delivering high-resolution images of Saturn's atmosphere, rings, and moons, and measuring the atmospheric gases and high wind speeds. In August 1981, Voyager 2 observed changes in the atmosphere and ring system from the previous year, and took the temperature of Saturn's atmosphere for the first time. However, most of what we know about Saturn today comes from NASA's Cassini mission, which orbited the planet between 2004 and 2017. Still the largest space probe to successfully fulfill its mission, the bus-sized Cassini was equipped with a dozen separate instruments to measure all aspects of Saturn, its rings and moons, as well as carrying the European-built Huygens lander and deploying it for a landing on Titan in January 2005. Observations over more than a decade allowed Cassini to study seasonal changes throughout Saturn's northern winter and spring, culminating with a series of passes between the planet and its inner rings, and a final plunge to burn up in the atmosphere in September 2017. Pioneer 11. Type. Jupiter and Saturn flyby. Launched. The 6th of April 1973. Saturn flyby. The 1st of September 1979. Key discoveries. First close-up images of Saturn. Measurements of the magnetic field. Measured the temperature of Titan, and photographed the unlit underside of the rings. Status. Contact lost, now entering interstellar space. Voyager 1. Type. Jupiter and Saturn flyby. Launched. The 5th of September 1977. Saturn flyby. The 12th of November 1980. Key discoveries. Analysis of Saturn's upper atmosphere. Discovery of complex structure in the rings of Saturn. Close-up images of Titan and other moons. Status. Entered interstellar space in 2012, and is still returning data about its conditions to Earth. Voyager 2. Type. Multiplanet flyby. Launched. The 20th of August 1977. Saturn flyby. The 26th of August 1981. Key discoveries. Measurement of temperature in the upper atmosphere. Images of more structure in the rings, and the first close-up views of moons, including Enceladus. Status. Entered interstellar space in 2018, still returning data to Earth. Cassini. Type. Saturn orbiter. Launched. The 15th of October 1997. Saturn orbit. The 1st of July 2004. Key discoveries. Detailed survey of Saturn, its rings, and moons. Imaged Titan through its clouds, and discovered water plumes above Enceladus. Status. Destroyed during a controlled plunge into Saturn, in September 2017. Huygens. Type. Titan lander. Launched. The 15th of October 1997. Titan descent. The 14th of January 2005. Key discoveries. First images from the surface of Titan. Status. Contact lost with Cassini, 72 minutes after landing. Dragonfly. Type. Titan lander. Launch 2027. Titan landing 2034. Key goals: a robotic explorer, designed to fly across Titan's surface to several locations, studying the Moon's complex surface chemistry, and potential for life. Saturn, by numbers. (120,536 kilometers). Saturn's equatorial diameter: 26.7 degrees. The planet's axial tilt, which creates its Earth-like seasons: 0.000027%. The mass of Saturn's rings, in comparison to the planet: 1,800 kilometers per hour. Fastest wind speeds recorded on Saturn: 95.16 times Saturn's mass, in terms of Earth. 61.6 kilograms per cubic meter. Saturn's average density, just over 2/3, that of water. 9.05 to 10.12 astronomical units. Distance from the Sun, in astronomical units: 1.1%. Heating power of the Sun at Saturn, compared to Earth: -178 degrees Celsius. The average temperature, at Saturn's cloud tops. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com